Hello all, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing good, happy, smiling. Of course, this is a boring question, but it's an important question, right? This is Flying Skies One, welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos, and thanks for all the support from the viewers and the subscribers. And today I want to introduce a healthy sweetener. It's a prebiotic dark chocolate. Let me explain you what is a prebiotic. They are compounded substances or the natural sweeteners that are used in making the chocolate, which improves your digestion and helps to promote healthy bacteria. So here you see the examples of prebiotics that are used in making the chocolate: pineapple, citrus fruits. These natural ingredients are broken down, and this process is called fructooligosaccharides. Pardon me if my pronunciation is wrong. So you can eat guilt-free because there's no use of sugar here. Now we'll get into the actual dark chocolate unboxing video, and this is from Lil Goodness. 13 grams, 20 rupees, and you'll be getting a combo pack also with different flavors, and I have given the calories here, 576 calories. The most astonishing is the sodium that is used is of 0. The packing was good. See how it looks. It comes in a silver wrap. It goes soft and supple on your taste buds. It melts in your mouth. Now let's look at the chocolate, how it is. Did you see? How you feel? Let me know in the comment section. It's small, but it's healthy and tasty. You got to refrigerate it after you get the pack or the order being delivered at home. Otherwise it melts and becomes a liquid chocolate. This is processed by using an equipment that is used to process milk, wheat, tree nuts. This is available in Amazon and Flipkart stores too. You can otherwise visit Lil Goodness stores to have more flavors in this. I will give you the link in the description box. You can click on that and buy. See, these are the flavors that are available right now. Orange peel. This is something very interesting chocolate. That is, the orange peel is one of the dominating ingredient in that chocolate. I used cred app to purchase this chocolate at less price. I've got it for 200 rupees. 2 combo pack of 30. It improves gut health. I have given you the advantages or the benefits you derive by having this chocolate a day. These are the ingredients that are into the chocolate. They are healthy and guilt-free. Whenever you want to have some sweet, you can have this instead of having sugar processed sweets, right? And it boosts your antioxidants and promotes your health and heart, and it's a stress buster too. Eating dark chocolate will remove your stress. Happy chocolate day. Happy bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies one subscribe please, and keep smiling.